I've reached Cappadocia. It was an 800 kilometers drive from Istanbul. We booked ourselves in the hotel, and a bit about Cappadocia. Cappadocia has a very strong history. It goes about 300 BC. That means before the Christ, and some of them have even said that they were in 17th century BC as well. The people of Cappadocia were basically people from Persia, and the religion which was followed here, which is one of the oldest religions, which I have been able to do a bit of research, is the Zoroastrian religion, which believed in worshipping the fire, and the Persians, and they ruled Cappadocia for a very long time. And then the Alexander the Great came in, and there was a war, and then Cappadocia became an independent state, ruling till the Red Sea. Eventually, with passage of time, the Turks appeared here, and the Turks basically started conquering it, and then it became a part of the Ottoman Empire. And eventually, by 1922, Cappadocia became a part of the new Turkey, and eventually by this 1964, Cappadocia became a historical place, and people started moving, and tourists started appearing, and these are the mountains where these Cappadocia people were living. And what happened is that what I'm going to take you, I'm going to do a few activities here. First of all, I'm going to go for a balloon ride. Then I will be going for the underground cities where these Cappadocians used to live, and I'm going to show you the Pigeon Valley. After that, I'm going to travel to other parts of Turkey, which I'll take you onwards. Thank you. A beautiful sunrise of Cappadocia, and under the valley, inside the valley, if you can see, the balloons are being inflated, and they will be going up. If the sun is rising, and if you see, these balloons are being inflated, and within few minutes they will be airborne. And the beautiful sunrise, oh man, it's beautiful. And now this section of balloons are rising as well, and you can see at far end also. It's very early in the morning. We came here at 5:30, and now it's around 6:15. This place is known as Love Valley in Cappadocia, and this is where the balloons, which I was showing you earlier, they take off, they become airborne, and they go up, and you can see the magnificent look in the sky. It's so beautiful, and believe me, it's the right time to be here in Cappadocia. And then if you go across, and then you can see in front of you is the Pigeon Valley. The Pigeon Valley, which I've talked about it earlier. So, and then these balloons will eventually, after flying for 45 minutes to an hour, will come back to this point again and will land. And believe me, I've experienced a lot of places, but if you see the sunrise of Cappadocia, it is beautiful. These are the cave hotels at Nesver at Cappadocia, and these hotels are mountains in which they've been dug in to make, and you can see all of them.